Airlines.com. On behalf of Captain Sander Paul Carlos and First Officer Luigi Castillo and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. For passengers with onward connection PAL flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from the EA Terminal 1 or 3, you may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground person will be happy to assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, please be reminded to move out of any aircraft property is strictly prohibited.